Hello there, I'm Dave. Now this is a very special Sing With Me because we won't be singing. In fact, we'll be saying the song. It's more of a poem really, and it's all about these. Two Little Dickie Birds. I'm sure you know it, and if you do, you can say it with me as opposed to sing it with me. Okay, get ready, here goes. Two little dicky birds sitting on a wall, one named Peter, the other named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. See, there you go. Very simple. In fact, so simple, you should try it with me. So get your fingers ready, pointing fingers on each hand. Get ready. This is Peter over here, and this is Paul over here. Get ready to say the rhyme with me. Two little dicky birds sitting on a wall, one named Peter, the other named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Did you do the rhyme with me? Very good. Well, if you fancy doing the rhyme again, all you have to do is watch it again. See you real soon.